fuck a ratchet bitch and decrease my ranking. I'm new to fame, don't blame me. That hate just stuck on you, just stuck on you, just stuck on you, just stuck, just stuck, just stuck, just stuck on you. That hate just stuck on you, just stuck on you, just stuck on you.